what is that pain management and what exactly it is?
हम अपनी लाइफ में पेन को बर्दाश्त भी करते रहे, सफ़र भी करते रहे, टैबलेट्स भी लेते रहे, डॉक्टर्स के पास भी जाते रहे,
जी
सर्जन्स के पास भी जाते रहे, मुख्तलिफ स्पेशलिटीज़ के पास जाते रहे,
जी।
फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाते
जी।
रहे, कुछ दम कराने भी जाते रहे। अभी जो लेटेस्ट फील्ड आई है इंटरवेंशनल पेन मेडिसिन की,
अच्छा
right? It has been in practice for almost 50 years in the US.
Okay.
I tell them, look, I can guarantee you one thing. With my skill and expertise, I can reach the target very safely without you even noticing it that I'm inside your body. So we take that sniper shot with a lot of accuracy. There's been a lot of years of training. And all those people who are working in the field of pain, they don't just come from their homes and start doing that. They come from certain specialities. We're going to go and inject them with what? Two kind of things. Either a pain solution, which is a very unique solution, or we're going to inject it with some regenerative solution that is coming out of your own body. और उससे होगा क्या?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम एहसन खान है और आप देख रहे हैं एहसन खान शो। टुडे आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी मौजूद हैं, इज़ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग और वेरी गुड लुकिंग, आई वुड से वेरी हैंडसम। तो आज मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर बिलाल। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी, कैसे हैं?
बहुत शुक्रिया आपका आने का। एंड यू नो क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल जो आजकल होता है वो वक्त निकालना होता है किसी के लिए। तो मेरी ऑफ द कैमरा सर से बात हो रही थी, तो मैंने कहा जल्दी से कैमरा ऑन करें और हम इसको रिकॉर्ड करते हैं ताकि आप व्यूवर्स के लिए बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। और सर इज़ बीन अ फैंटास्टिक डॉक्टर, वो हम डिटेल में बात करेंगे। और साथ में रिसेंटली सर ने एक्टिंग का भी एक कोशिश करी और एक ड्रामा किया, उस बारे में हम बात करेंगे। लेकिन लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द थिंग। एक आप बात कर रहे थे जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम सुना एज अ डॉक्टर, आई हैव नेवर हर्ड कि पेन मैनेजमेंट।
यस।
तो व्हाट इज़ दैट पेन मैनेजमेंट एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज़?
देखिए, पेन को तो मुतारिफ कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है
जी।
हम अपनी लाइफ में
जी
पेन को बर्दाश्त भी करते रहे, सफ़र भी करते रहे, टैबलेट्स भी लेते रहे, डॉक्टर्स के पास भी जाते रहे,
जी
सर्जन्स के पास भी जाते रहे, मुख्तलिफ स्पेशलिटीज़ के पास जाते रहे, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाते रहे, कुछ दम कराने भी जाते रहे। ठीक है। और हर चीज़ काम करती है। इट्स नॉट दैट कि कोई चीज़ काम नहीं करती। एवरीथिंग हैज़ एन एविडेंस।
ठीक है।
एंड आजकल की जो वर्ल्ड है इट्स ऑल बेस्ड ऑन एविडेंस बेस्ड मेडिसिन।
सही।
तो जब अभी जो लेटेस्ट फील्ड आई है इंटरवेंशनल पेन मेडिसिन की,
अच्छा,
right, it has been in practice for almost 50 years in the US.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And it was not introduced in Pakistan.
Well, yes, we are one of the pioneers of this field of intervention pain medicine. What do? You've got pain in your knee.
Okay.
We are going to search that pain using an ultrasound. We're going to see the structures which are broken.
Okay.
Right? We're going to go and inject them with what? Two kind of things. Either a pain solution, which is a very unique solution, or we're going to inject it with some regenerative solution that is coming out of your own body. और उससे होगा क्या? उससे वो स्ट्रक्चर रीजनरेट होगा।
Okay.
अब पेन का कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि पेशेंट कम्स एंड से विद अ वेरी हाई होप, डॉक्टर आई हैव कम टू यू आफ्टर सीइंग एवरीबॉडी, नोबडी इज एबल टू सॉल्व माय पेन। आई टेल देम, लुक, आई कैन गारंटी यू वन थिंग, with my skill and expertise, I can reach the target very safely without you even noticing it that I'm inside your body.
Okay.
Like if I'm inside your spine, if you have got a sciatic nerve which is entrapped, I don't need to put you under anesthesia. I don't need to cut open your muscles and, cut off some bones and
it's
whatever.
very risky as well, I would say.
Yes.
Some doctors say
This is just taking a sniper shot.
Okay.
You have seen snipers?
Yes.
They hold their breath and they do that job. So this is kind of a sniper shot. So we take that sniper shot with a lot of accuracy. There's been a lot of years of training, and all those people who are working in the field of pain, they don't just come from their homes and start doing that. They come from certain specialities.
MashaAllah.
Primarily, they are anesthesiologists, they are neurosurgeons, they are orthopedic surgeons, they are rehabilitation doctors, and so on and so forth. Right. So primarily you have to be an MBBS doctor for this, because people have got
the degree is very important.
Yes, people have got this concept. Maybe this person is also a pain specialist and this person is also a pain specialist. Look, anybody can treat pain as per his own acumen, training, and skill level.
Okay.
But this is highly advanced. Like, how do we can also go inside the brain for a pain which is called as trigeminal neuralgia. There's a pain in the face, which I think Salman Khan also used to have.
He had. I think he had discussed the Salman Khan about the interview that.
It is.
He went
it
to the very
is-
difficult phase.
It is such a bad pain that people want to commit suicide out of that.
My God.
So if I say that give us all the interventional pain specialists, just give us 10 minutes and we'll take it away, and it'll be gone.
And a lot of people have they've been not willing to go for that. They have been facing the back pain और बड़ा मुस्तकिल एक बैक पेन रहता है, भाई जिंदगी रहता है, लेकिन वो इसलिए नहीं कर पाते ऑपरेशन कि यार गॉड नोज व्हाट हैपेंड.
एक चीज है, for example, there is a cup on the table and you
Right.
tell me to close my eyes and pick that cup. I will never be able to pick it up in the first go. I have to feel it that maybe it's there or there. But in this field of intervention pain, we are looking at that painful structure. We are looking at that
Okay.
target and we land our needle accurately on the spot.
And God forbid, so sorry to interrupt you, God forbid, what if we miss that
We can't.
shot?
We can't.
If we cannot.
We cannot.
It's not in the...
It's not in a curriculum to miss the spot. We are
Okay.
never qualified.
Okay.
If we-
For that you need to be MBBS at least, to
Yes, and
understand.
then there are super qualifications for that. Then there is training for that. And then once you're trained to that level, then you can come and sit in a clinic or a hospital and say, yes, I can do this. But people have been injected blindly throughout. Till date, it is not an illegal or a wrong practice.
That's what I'm sorry to interrupt you,
It is
sir.
not a wrong
I wanted to
practice.
ask you that when you introduced this thing, because since it was introduced in the USA, when you were introducing this technology in Pakistan, did you
Yeah.
face any difficulties? Because getting new thing into Pakistan itself is a problem.
I would say that being the second line of the frontier, standing in the front,
Right,
We are just like the tip of the spearhead, and the brunt, the spearhead, the tip of the spearhead gets the brunt every time.
Wow.
Right. So the thing is, the orthopedic doctors, the neurosurgeons, the rheumatologists, the neurologists, honestly, they don't like us because they have been doing that thing and they're too good at that and they have given results. And
Right.
that is all evidence based. But the thing is, I tell you that this is a manual car, and then I tell you that this car you can sit on the left seat and drive by itself.
Wow.
Which car would you like to go for?
Of course.
The latest one, right?
The
So
latest
this
one.
is just the same thing. Like we use a phone like this. Why? Because it's got more gadgets. So thing is, we are the doctors who are playing with more gadgets. It's not that the other doctors can't do that. They can upgrade themselves and come to this level.
So that means, sir, that a lot of politics would be coming in the future because those doctors
I'm
don't want to
facing
sit
it
free.
presently.
Yeah, they don't want to sit free.
Yeah,
I mean,
they-
if at their side, I can understand because they don't want to sit free.
Yes.
Or either they will shift this technology to.
Whenever they, by mistake or by luck, I get a patient from them, the patient goes back and I've been coming to you for 15 years and look, I'm still suffering.
My
And he
God.
just did one shot and I'm fine.
My God.
It's not that they're doing it wrong, they're doing it right, but we're doing it more accurately.
Wow.
That's the difference.
Wow.
I'm sitting right now at Quaid-e-Azam International Hospital.
Okay.
Right.
In Islamabad.
Yes, in Islamabad. Yes,
Okay.
I'm there. And at a few other clinics,
Okay.
which are owned by my friends, and I'm sharing them. So I get patients when they give me a call, I go over. Right? So
Right.
what do we deal with? We deal with backaches, we deal with frozen shoulders. You've got 10 years of a frozen shoulder, and give me 5 minutes, and your shoulder will be rotating in any direction you want without any surgery.
Wow.
You've got knee pain. We can treat that knee pain to that extent that you'll be able to walk, move, offer your prayers, and use your washroom and whatever basic necessities of life you can take on with.
Wow. Great.
So this is not a miracle, but this is evidence-based science.
On a lighter note, since your wife is also a doctor,
Yes.
so sometimes ऐसा होता है कि जब दोनों अपनी डॉक्टरी के बारे में बात for the people, lay people I would say,
Yes.
कि वो बताइए उस वक्त जो आप लोगों में कन्वर्सेशन होती तो वो कौन जीतता है?
वो तो पूरा थिएटर सुनता है ना, बिकॉज वो गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है, मैं एनेस्थेटिस्ट हूँ, हमारा तो कभी किसी एक बात पे एक का हो ही नहीं
इख्तलाफात
सकता।
होते हैं कि भाई
इख्तलाफ होता ही रहता है।
अच्छा होते ही रहता है।
हाँ, कि आप ऐसा करो, नहीं आप ऐसा करो, मैं कहता नहीं हम तो ऐसा करेंगे, वो कहते हैं फिर हम भी ऐसा करेंगे, तो वो करते रहे। ठीक है, दैट्स द फन। तो वो घर भी आ जाती कभी, वही सारी मसले घर भी
अच्छा,
आते
तो घर
थे।
आके तो डेफिनेटली आप ही हारते होंगे उसके बाद तो।
सर हम वहां भी हारते हैं। अगर हम वहां जीतेंगे तो घर में हारेंगे,
सही बात
तो
है।
दोनों जगह हार ही बेहतर है।
Alright, so one last question, sir. आप अभी recently आपका ड्रामा आपका इत्तेफाक हुआ तो how did a doctor comes into the drama? I know you're very good looking, you speak very well, but how it all happened?
Well, the thing is, actually, my wife,
जी.
she's the motivation. She said you should do some. You should be a host of some morning show or something
I
like
also
that,
agree with her.
because you've got this good skill
Good
to
skill of communication.
with people.
हाँ ये नहीं
and-
होते लोगों में मैं
Yes.
बता रहा हूँ आपको.
So I happened to come across this team of Musafat.
जी.
That's a drama which is currently running, and Mr. Mohsen Abbas. He's a very talented
Very
actor.
talented.
Yes, so I've been in his presence and I've learned a lot from him. And during the set, he used to tell me, Dr. Saab, look at my ear, and you're not going to look this way. And when I was driving in a scene with him, he said, you're going to look this way, and it's going to look more natural.
Wow.
So he guided me throughout the process. It was very nice. I think I had 6 or 8 scenes maybe with him. I'm playing the role of his friend.
Okay.
My name is Taimur in that drama.
Okay.
And he is Osama right now.
तो किसी ने तैमूर बोला आपको, किसी ने अभी तक गाते हुए तैमूर विदाउट डॉक्टर सिंग, किसी ने आपको
No, I
रिकॉग्नाइज किया?
think my scenes have not appeared on the TV
अच्छा, अभी
yet.
आने हैं तो तैमूर में हम नाम पुकारा जाएगा बड़ी जल्दी आपका, क्योंकि उसमें तो डॉक्टर नहीं बने हुए ना, उसमें तो तैमूर ही है। उसमें भी डॉक्टर बने हुए आप?
नहीं, उसमें मैं नहीं बना।
अच्छा, ऑलराइट।
हाँ।
तो कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस एक्टिंग का, क्योंकि उसमें तो बड़ा स्क्रिप्टेड होता है, चलना ऐसे, उठना ऐसे, एक कैमरे से बार बार वो कैमरा यहाँ पे जा रहा है, क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत हमें एक्सपीरियंस है। आपका कैसा रहा?
देखिए, जब हम डॉक्टर्स बनते हैं ना, तो हम एक स्क्रिप्ट को ही फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
और एक स्क्रिप्ट वो है जो अल्लाह ने हमारे लिए लिखी हुई है।
बिल्कुल ठीक है।
हम उस स्क्रिप्ट को भी फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं और अपनी मेडिकल लाइन भी स्क्रिप्ट को फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं, जिससे हमने पेशेंट्स को समझाना होता है, जिससे हमने उनकी बीमारी को उन तक एक्सप्लेन करना होता है। So everything, I believe, from our daily lives to our practical lives is all scripted. So it was just like a normal routine for me.
Wow.
Just you have to read it, you understand the role, but yes, the director was
रीटेक्स हुए सर? रीटेक्स हुए
सर? मेरे ज्यादा तो नहीं, थोड़े बहुत बीच में हुए थे रीटेक्स जिसमें मैंने फंबल किया हो, but once you get the dialogue right, so the director was very happy.
Wow.
And Mohsen
कौन थे आपके साथ?
Mohsen bhai was he was the only one I was working with, and he was really happy because most of the takes were done in one, because he said कि डायरेक्टर साहब जो है ना, आंखों से खून के आंसू रुला देते हैं।
नहीं, वैसे आप में एक माशाल्लाह एक आर्ट है, मैम ने बिल्कुल सही आपको रिकॉग्नाइज किया। यू हैव गॉट अ वंडरफुल वॉइस, वंडरफुल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स और वंडरफुल पर्सनालिटी माशाल्लाह। छोटा सा एक आपके लिए एक टोकन ऑफ लव है हमारी तरफ से, इस प्रोग्राम में स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय कोरू कंसल्टेंट। तो ये आपके लिए, आपको हमारी याद दिलाता रहेगा।
थैंक यू,
और थैंक यू वेरी मच सर,
थैंक यू सर
फॉर कमिंग, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह।